A truckload of bootleg smokes or illicit cigarettes seized by the Highway Patrol Group led them to a warehouse in San Simon, Pampanga, where even more contraband was found. Thereafter, an estimated 120 million in untaxed cigarettes was seized, which police believe was shipped from Batangas Port, as our Ryan Lisigas reports.
Boxes of smuggled cigarettes were discovered by operatives of the PNP Highway Patrol Group in San Simon, Pampanga. The warehouse was uncovered after the PNP Highway Patrol Group flagged down a truck that was delivering contraband. The location of the warehouse was identified by the arrested truck driver himself. Police immediately entered the warehouse, which was allegedly being used as a storage facility for smuggled cigarettes. According to PNP HPG Director Police Brigadier General Hansel Marantan, aside from lacking proper documents, the contraband was also allegedly smuggled into the country.
We are flagged down, demanded for pertinent papers. Wala nang pertinent papers. Walang CR, impoundable offense yung violation actually.
The suspects even used pallets in an attempt to hide the boxes of smuggled cigarettes inside the truck. The HPG said the seized contraband is estimated to be worth more than 120 million pesos. Police are still investigating where the cigarettes came from and where they were intended to be delivered. But the driver's usual route was allegedly from Batangas to Pampanga.
Voluntarily, the driver opened the closed truck, at it was concealed. Kinoncealed yan ng paleta. So there's malice there already para hindi makita yung mga boxes doon.
The driver and the owner of the cargo will likely face charges of economic sabotage.
Matindi rin yung cut-out nila, parang nagde-distribute din ng droga. Yung nakuha naming driver ngayon, ang alam niya, dahil lang yung sasakyan sa may 7-Eleven area and someone will pick it up. So, reading the context of the cellphone, makita mo doon na hanggang doon sa 7-Eleven lang ang alam niya. Nung magpipick up, wala na. So, there's a cut-out talaga. I think they have mastered the craft of delivery of smuggled cigarettes.
We are still trying to get the side of the arrested driver and the owner of the warehouse. Ryan Lisigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.